morning. Good morning.
Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss. Good morning,
I would like you to get one actress wise for the warm-up this morning. And this is only good for 10 minutes. You answer the 3 questions. Okay, so this is all about distance formula. So you're going to recall the distance formula. Okay, so I'm checking the attendance here. I think absent today. Is Patricia here, Solano? Okay. Okay, are you done? Yes. Oh my. Okay, so that is one number. So I got the mistake in numbering. Kindly, the number 3 below number 1. Kindly make a correction, please. So number 1 below number 1 is number 2, and this one here, the last number is your number 3. Very sorry for that, guys. Okay. Are you done? Okay, time's up. Change your work in the counterclockwise direction. Do you know how to translate in the counterclockwise direction? Okay, ready. In the count of 4, quick exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Thank you. So, quick answer number 1. Okay, the answer of number 1 is 4. Who got 4? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. So next, number 2, the answer is?
Many.
Okay, great. Next, the answer of number 3 is? Who gets perfect score? Okay, very good. So can we put your paper down? Put that in your binder. Can you put that in your binder? Put it down. Okay, I will collect that after the test. Let's put it in your binder. When are you ready? Okay. This morning, first we have the warm-up activity. The second one is the lesson proper. So we have very first is one that under lesson proper. Will you please read it? Next.
Define circle. Derive the equation of a circle. Convert the standard equation of a circle to general form.
Okay, next.
Subject matter. Deriving equation of a circle. Materials. Graphing paper. Graphing calculator. Compass. Ruler. Pencil. Coloring
Okay,
materials.
I check your materials to secure you are prepared to topic on the next activity. So the first material there is graphing paper. Raise your head and raise your graphing paper. Okay, thank you. Next is the graphing calculator. Graphing calculator versus graphing calculator. Okay. Next is your. What is next? Compass. Okay, great. Next is ruler. Word group. Next is okay, the pencil and the coloring materials. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Now let's move now to the lesson proper. Okay. So let's have this one here. How do you call this one? You know, globe, it represents our Mother Earth. Do you know the center, what do you think the country, which is the center of the Earth? Or what is the geographical center of the Earth? That is I'm talking, yes, that is the equator, and I'm talking about the country. And what do you think the country is in the equator? That is Ecuador. So Ecuador is the center of the Earth. So there are two imaginary lines that divide our Mother Earth into two equal parts. First is known as, but how do you call the line from the here? This one here. Kindly see here on the board. This is now the, kindly help me out. Okay. So this one is the north to the south. How do you call this imaginary line that divides the eastern and western hemisphere? How do you call this line? That is prime meridian. So this one is known as the prime meridian. Am I right in my spelling? Okay. What is prime meridian? What is prime meridian? Yes, Ben.
Prime meridian is the imaginary line that divides the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Okay. So yes, that is an imaginary line. This one is the imaginary line that divides the Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. So this one here, the center here, and the line, how do you call this imaginary line that divides from eastern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere. It divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. How do you call the imaginary line? What is an imaginary line? Equator. That is an equator. And what do you mean by what is equator?
It divides the imaginary line divides northern and southern hemisphere.
Okay, very good. So now this imaginary line from north to south, it represents y-axis. This one here, this line, imaginary line from eastern hemisphere to the western hemisphere, and this is known as this one is the equator, right? This is equator and represents the x-axis. Now this is the center of the Earth, where Ecuador here. So Ecuador is the center of the Earth. Now in the coordinates way, the center has a coordinate what? The value of x and y. 0. Right? And this one here, 80 points. Now 80 points on the circle, we represent the x and y. So that means on the circles, there are many points right here. Wherein this x and y here is one of the points on the circle. Now, since our topic is the derivation of the equation of the circle, so we are going to derive first the formula of the equation of the circle through this. Okay? Now, what do you think the standard form of the circle? What do you think the standard form of the circle? The standard would like to write the equation of the circle, Karen. Will you please write the equation of the circle? Yes, the center is 0, 0. Yes, very good. So if the center is at the origin, this is the standard form equation of the center. So let's derive x squared and y squared. We're in here, using this figure here. So let's have this one, the derivation of the formula. Now, the distance formula is equal to okay, I would like to write the equation in the formula of the distance. Okay, very good. So this one here, this is now the center of the circle. Now coordinates 0, value of x and y, and 0 also for the value of y. And one here, this one, the x and y, this is 1 point on the circle. Now the distance from the radius, now this one is the radius here, the center here, the fixed point, this is the center. The distance from the fixed point to any point on the circle, we call this radius. Now here, this distance here, we are going to replace that by r, which is the radius. This is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Now, we are going to substitute. Okay, what do you think the value of y sub 2 here? The y sub 2, this one here, this one is an x sub 1, and this one here is your y sub 1. This one is your x sub 2, and this is also your y sub 2. So we are going to plug in. So we are going to have here the y sub 2 is equal to y minus 0 squared plus, we have here x minus 0 squared. But you know the right way to read this one is equal to radius is equal to the square root of bracket, the differences between y sub 2 and y sub 1 bracket squared plus bracket, the differences between x sub 2 and y sub 1 squared. That is the right way of how to read this equation. Okay? So now since the radius is equal to the square root of y squared plus the square root of x squared, right? In order to eliminate this one, we are going to square this both sides in order to cancel the symbol, the square root symbol. Okay, we have here r is equal to y squared plus x squared. But the right way to write this, it should be based on the arrangement of the alphabet. So therefore, the standard form equation of a circle is equal to x squared plus y squared equals y squared. So that is on how. Now I would like you to convert that standard form equation of a circle to a general equation of a circle. So what do you think the general equation of the circle? I'm talking about the general equation. Okay. The general equation of the circle. Would like to volunteer, Ella, write the general form of the circle. Okay. Now, since this is the general form equation of a circle, we are going to convert, no? Okay, for example, I'm going to replace this about here. Can you draw a circle? I'm going to erase that one. Draw a circle, the value, meaning the coordinates. Okay, I would like you to draw that the center is at 4 and negative 8. And the radius is 4. So I would like you to have this. The center is in here. No. How could you find? So I will give you this as your example. Before we do the next activity, I will explain on how you are going to convert the standard form into general form equation of the circle. So this is how to convert. So by following the formula, but who would like to volunteer first to draw the circle? circle? Okay. So I would like you to draw the circle. Okay. But it's not a origin. Okay. Okay, so if the center is not at the origin, this one is positive 4 and negative 8, right? So the radius, this radius here, the radius is equal to 4. Now, this is how you are going to derive or the standard form. So x, and what is next? Equals r squared. I would like you to read this one correctly. Okay, this is how you are going to read this one. Bracket x minus 8 bracket squared plus y minus a bracket squared equals r squared. Okay, read together.
Bracket x minus h bracket squared plus bracket y minus a bracket squared equals r squared.
Very good. So this is the standard form, no, equation of a circle. All we have to do is just only to plug in. So x minus, what do you think the value of x here? 4. Okay. Plus y, the value of a. Y is positive 8. Why not negative 8? Why positive 8? Negative times equals. That is 4. Okay, so this one is 4. Y. Okay, so I forget to put square, right?
Yes.
Now, this is the standard equation, the standard form, equation of a circle. I would like you to convert the standard form into, I would like you to convert this into general form. So the general form of a circle is x of, that is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. So this one is the general form. I would like you to convert this standard form into general form. So now, you have the graphing paper there in your table. I would like you to draw like four circles, and then after drawing the four circles, then you are going to determine the center of the circle, then the radius also, and after the radius, you are going to form the standard form and convert that into general form. I will give you like 15 minutes to do it per group. So then you color your the four circles. Then make sure that you can form a design on it. So four circles and form the design. Excuse me. Okay, so are you done? Put your work now. Put your work. Okay, so for the first one, Charlie is finding work. Okay. Group 1. Group 1. Okay.
Okay, so good morning everyone. So the center of our first circle is at the origin. So its center is 0 and 0. And our radius is equal to 5. Therefore, the equation of the circle is equal to x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. And the next circle, which is this one, the center is negative 5, 4, and our radius is equal to 3. Same with this one, our radius is 3, and the center is 5, 4. And then in this one, the smaller circle, the center is 0 and then negative 2, and our radius is equal to 1. So the equation of the circle is equal to the equation of our circle is equal to x squared plus y plus 2 squared equals to 1 squared or equal to 1. So let's see.
Okay. Next group.
So next is the group number 2. So first is the instruction is draw 4 circles. So this is our circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first we draw the circle which is in the origin. So the center is 0 and 0. So x, y, 0, 0. Then the radius is 3. Second, we draw the circle which is the center is 4 and 5. And the radius is equals to 3. And the third one is the center is in the 3 and negative 7, and then the radius is equals to 3. The last one is the center is negative 4, and then negative 5, the radius is equals to 3. So the equation of the first circle is so the equation is this is the first equation of the circle which is in the origin, and then this is the so this is the standard form, and then make this to make this into general form x squared plus y squared equals so that's
very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, so I think that's enough for the explanation. So let's move now to the generalization. So who would like to generally to give the recap or the recapitulation of our topic this morning? Okay.
Today, we studied about circles. And in the circles, we learned that it was incorporated with geography, and to learn the formulas of the circle which is in the center is x squared plus y squared and equals to the radius squared, r squared. So if it is not in the circle, then we have the other formula, which is the quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to the radius squared. So we derive the formula from standard form to general form.
Okay. What circle best represents your life? I need one student, to give the reflection. Jessa?
The circle that represents my life is
Can you say the center?
wheel is composed of a rubber and a steel. And this rubber represents that I am a person with a I am a soft-hearted person, just like a rubber, and a steel in which it represents my strong side in my life. And so, just like a wheel, my life, even though how heavy the load, we all know that the wheel is associated with a truck or something. So even though how heavy is the load given to me, I will still continue to move forward, even though whatever struggles or hindrances I may have on the road.
Okay, very good. Now, I would like you to have get your notebook and write the assignment. This is your assignment. Everybody get your. Okay, number 1, question. So we will be moving to an ellipse next meeting. So what is an ellipse? Okay. Next is for number 2, you answer problem 1 to 5 on page 112. So that's your assignment. Okay? So, time is up. I would like you to pick up the pieces of paper under your chair. Say to it that before you leave the classroom, okay, so that's all for this morning. Bye-bye, and thank you. See you.